Vocabulary Building Lesson 4. Unlettered, 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 illiterate, unable to read or write. Example sentences. The unlettered old man knew more wisdom than books could teach. She worked hard to educate the unlettered children in the village. Despite being unlettered, her father taught her great life lessons. Afflicted, afflicted, afflicted. To be badly affected by pain, trouble, or illness. Example sentences. She was afflicted with a serious illness. Many families were afflicted by the flood. He was mentally afflicted after losing his job. Amass, amass, amass. To gather or collect something, especially money, knowledge, or possessions, over a period of time, often in large quantities. She wants to amass a lot of money to buy a car. They amass twice to give to poor children. We can amass knowledge by reading books. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel to get more vocabulary lessons. See you in the next video. Bye.